Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will discover together how to operate the max speed limiter function on Massey Ferguson telehandlers. This video is intended for vehicles equipped with the 7-inch touchscreen and the Dyna-CT transmission. First of all, the maximum speed limiter function allows you to cap the vehicle's top speed, a helpful safety feature for inexperienced operators or when working in confined areas. To activate this function, go to the Settings menu, then open the Machine Settings. Tap on the function to activate it. This feature is protected by an administrator password. By default, the password is the last 5 digits of the machine's serial number. For added security, we recommend changing this password. To do so, go back to the Settings menu, then open the Security settings. Enter the current password, then confirm. Next, go to the Operator Management menu and select the relevant operator. Choose Change Password. Enter the new desired password. Then confirm to exit the menu. Now, let's return to the max speed limiter function. Once the administrator password has been entered, you'll access the configuration screen. From here, you can enable or disable the feature and set a maximum speed between 1 and 40 kilometers per hour. When the user reaches the defined limit, a symbol will appear next to the forward speed display, indicating the maximum speed has been reached. You now know how to use the max speed limiter function. It's your turn to try.